22,580 drones launched into the night sky at once, all controlled by a single computer, setting a new Guinness World Records title for the most multi-rotor drones airborne simultaneously outdoors. The record-breaking performance was orchestrated by Guangdong EHang Egret Media Technology Company in Hefei, China, on February 3, 2026, surpassing the previous record of 15,947 drones, which had been set only months earlier. The scale of the attempt was staggering. More than 22,600 drones were prepared at Luogang Central Park. Then, as the clock struck 10 p.m., the challenge officially began. Within moments, thousands of drones lifted off in perfect synchronization, transforming the night sky into a vast, moving canvas. Across the attempt area, official witnesses carefully monitored and verified the launch. Out of the full fleet, 20 drones failed to take off, but 22,580 drones successfully completed the attempt, marking not just a new world record, but the latest milestone in China's decade-long evolution in aerial display technology. From early formations of just a few hundred drones to today's breathtaking performances featuring more than 22,000 synchronized aircraft. The display itself paid tribute to tradition, featuring Chinese cultural motifs such as lanterns and decorative window patterns, a striking fusion of cutting-edge innovation and timeless artistry.
The number of successful actions reached 22,580, setting a new Guinness World Records title. Congratulations to everyone on completing the challenge successfully.